See how easy it is to use OXXO, Mexico's popular payment method with PagSeguro. The user selects the product or service they want to purchase and clicks to finish the order. Now they select OXXO as the payment method and click to confirm it. The user fills in the requested information and clicks on Finish the purchase. The user clicks to finish the payment. To pay, the user goes to an OXXO convenience store and presents the barcode. The payment can be done in cash or with a debit card in up to 6 days. There are around 20,000 OXXO stores in Mexico, many of which are 24 hours, so it's very convenient for the consumer. Then, in up to 2 business days, the user will be notified by email that payment has been confirmed and purchase completed. Offering OXXO on your checkout is quick and easy with PagSeguro. Talk to us right now and start offering Mexico's popular payment method.